Welcome back to Disabled and Prepping. This is my new Instapot Max. This is what I'm going to be doing my canning in. So I'm just running through the 15-minute test to make sure I'm running through their quick start manual after I read their other one. So it says to do a quick start initial test. So that's what we are doing. I'm getting used to all the little noises it makes and stuff like that. So after 14 minutes, it will release the pressure just like it would canning, but it's just doing a test to make sure everything's working good. And things like that. So after that, I will be pressure canning. All right, everybody, just thought I'd share with you a little quick video on my new Instant Pot Max. I'll probably call it an Instapot because for some reason, I don't always want to put the T on the end of instant. So, anyways, that's what it's going to be. This is what I'm going to be doing for the canning. They come with these little grippy things too. They're like little crabby things. Let's see if I can get that without making too much of a to grab things, so you don't have to worry about your hands getting too hot. So that's cool. So I'm excited for the test to get over with, so I can use it to can up some items. But that will be another video. All right, everybody. May God bless you to overflowing, and may He keep each and every one of you safe, and your friends and family too. Bye for now.